Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to configure Interceptor in a Spring application. For that I have already set up some code right here. I will walk you through that. And first of all, I'm added a controller, which is annotated controller, Spring controller, and I have a method, the mapping method, which brings up the home page, and I have a system out of println, like just to show it to log to the console, and it brings up the home page. And the next is the interceptor. The interceptor is one which come in between the request and the controller. So like your server filter, it goes and filter out the request, what all parameters are there in the request, and can be verified in the lifecycle methods. So we want to write a Spring interceptor. You need to implement the handle interceptor, which is from the Spring framework package. So it has a lifecycle methods to be implemented in the class where you implement this, and these three methods which required to be there. The pre-handle, before you go and hit your actual method in the controller, it's going to come here and do a verification, whatever the logic you want right here to verify in your request. You have any in parameters which you're expecting which is not there, and all security stuff can be done here. And once this, let it go and go and hit the method right here, and once your service is done, it comes back, it goes to the pre-handle, post-handle. Once the pre-handle done, then the post-handle, and then the after completion. Those are these lifecycle methods will get executed, and you can clean up whatever objects or whatever you want to do. The final wrap up can be done in the after completion. And before that, you need one more configuration to get this setup done, to go and make some changes in the servlet context. So the servlet context, you need to say the interceptor to be like this, to give the right package and the right class name, and so the interceptor will look into that and get that ready for you. Yes, that's one thing you need to do here, but pretty much other things are Spring application. So this is the main the scan package, where you're going to start the scan, and this is all the JSP mapping to render the page. So that's how the framework should be to initial setup to just a very hello world application. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it on the server. Let me do a compilation because I made some changes here. Okay, can install it once again. So once we hit the application, you'll be able to see our logs. The first log should be coming from here, then the second one should be coming from here, and that's the controller, and then the two methods down here is one post handle and after completion. So let me run that for you. Okay, let's watch the log. I'll tailed out a few. Maybe taking a couple of seconds to get the servlet up and running for you for the Spring configuration. I think it's all there now. Okay, we see our hello world page here, and see just look at the console and see this pre-handle being printed once, then in controller and in post handle and after completion. So that's the life cycle. So it goes to pre-handle, then after, because we let it go because we don't have any logic right here. I'm not doing any check, so it just print handle and returns true. What, and it returns true, it goes to that means you're passing the request, like it's a good request. So you go here, render the page, and before rendering the page, it comes through this, and if you have anything to be set back on the response or whatever, You can do that here, and later on the completion, just clean those things which you don't need to use anymore. So that's pretty much of it. And if you have any questions, let me know. I can help you. Right? Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have something when you complete this. Thanks. Bye bye.